Hi everyone, hope you all are doing good. I am Pavini from Bangalore pursuing my final year engineering under the stream of computer science. Starting with how my interview process went at Accenture. Firstly, I'm very thankful for Asta ma'am who gave me this opportunity to share my interview experience at Accenture. When I actually got to know about Accenture, Accenture is hiring, I was really very excited, and I was hoping that I have to give my best and crack the interview too. After that, I applied for Accenture in the month of April, and yes, guys, PAN card is really very important. Make sure you get your PAN card done as soon as possible if it's not done, as it's mandatory in Accenture. And later I got a mail on checking my system that and the system check, all the instructions will be provided in the mail, so just read it, guys. You can go through with your mail. And I had to give my I got a test link that I had to take my test on 6th May, and I took up the test and I cleared it too. After clearing, I was redirected to another page, that is a coding, wherein there were two sets of questions. One was difficult and one was easier ones, so I could work with only the easier ones. And coming to with which was difficult, I just gave it a try. And how exactly did I start working with the coding was, I used to use a HackerRank. uh, that is a really very good platform, guys. You please check it out. For coding, it's really a very good place where you can start learning coding with using a beginner title at it. And yeah, after that, after 2 days, I guess, I got my mail. I got a mail saying that I cleared it. Then I got a mail for communication too. After that, yeah, this was a time where I had to see this Asta Mom's channel, like a job for sure. This YouTube channel really helped me. It was a great support for me, and I was a bit relaxed, guys, because it was not elimination round. And after communication, and yes, guys, according to me, make sure you do well in communication as well, because it is not an elimination round. But according to my experience, giving the best at communication round really, it's a very good thing, because Accenture is not gonna just look at your interview and provide the results. It's just based on overall score. So make sure you give as much as best and communication as well. And later I had to book my slot. I got a mail to book my slot, and I had to book my slot. After that, I gave my interview. My interview was on 16th at 3 o'clock. Then sir introduced about him. Then he asked me about my introduction, and I had mentioned about my internship while introducing. So he went into depth, like asking about the project, which technology have I used, everything. And he asked me about the project, like was it done individually or in a group. So I told him it was done in individual. So later on he asked me, like, is there any project or working now, you're currently working in a team. So yes sir, I just told, yes sir, I'm working in a team right now for my final year project. Okay, so he asked me, is there any difficulties that you faced with the team. I answered, and he asked me, how did you overcome those two. Then coming to major thing is, guys, make sure you know well about your project. You have to know the working as well. And he asked me, at last he asked me, like, is there any feedback that you have received in by anybody, and have you ever implemented in your career. I told him, I answered him, and then that's it, guys. He told the interview is done, Pavni, and he asked me, like, if there is any questions for him. I asked him, like, so what is your goal and all. Just, guys, make sure you ask at least one question. It's actually very good if you ask one question at least, instead of telling no to him. That's my experience. Okay, according to me, it's better you ask at least one question. And yes, on 2nd June, results were out, and I was selected for ESC role, guys. That's it, guys. This was my interview experience. Hope my interview experience will be a great help to you guys. Coming to Asta ma'am, thank you, ma'am. Thank you for giving me this opportunity and helping me in how to crack the interview, as you were giving me, even giving us the updates on what exactly has to be done step by step. So thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations, Pavami, for your selection as ASC in Accenture company. This is one of the best company to work with. All the best for your career. And I really want to thank you that you shared your experience with us. Guys, this is Astha, and I hope this video is going to be very, very helpful for all of you during your preparation for Accenture company. I'm sharing all these experiences of selected candidates, guys, with you all, so that you get an idea how you need to prepare for your off campus drive, and how you need to crack an Accenture's interview. And these videos, these experience videos, will play a role of motivation also. They'll give you motivation also, that how you can crack this interview. Okay, so all the best to all of you guys, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel for all latest updates about the recruitments, all MNC companies, their interview question and answers, their preparation videos, how you need to do the preparation to crack Accenture, Infosys, Mindtree, any good company. Along with that, I have created a complete playlist of Accenture preparation, guys. So you just need to do watch that playlist. That will really help you out to crack your Accenture off campus drive. In that playlist, you'll get all the details about the interview question and answer, syllabus, how you need to do the preparation, what type of questions you will receive during online tests, during coding tests, during interviews. Along with that, I have created a complete playlist of interview experiences of the shortlisted candidates. Both the links I'll give you in the description box and in the I button. You just go do watch all those videos. That will really help you out. Okay, all the best, guys, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.